It's Mr. Manto here, and for today's virtual activity, we have a throwing scarf / manipulatives game. So if you have a throwing scarf, which looks kind of like this, that would be awesome. But if you don't, you can use a crumpled up piece of scrap paper or like a paper towel or something light that you can toss into the air that will fall down slowly. So we're gonna start, I'll demonstrate with both items. You're going to start with your manipulative in your dominant hand, or your hand that you would color or write with in class, and we're going to use both hands. So you're going to start in your dominant hand. All you're going to do is you're going to throw it up and you're going to watch it down into your hand. So I have it in my hand is my dominant hand is my right hand. I'm going to throw it up, catch it with that same hand. Now I'm going to throw it up and catch it with the opposite hand. So it's in my right hand, I'm going to throw it up, and I'm going to catch it with my left hand. After you do that, you can switch. You can put it into your left hand if that's your non-dominant hand, or your right, vice versa. So I'm going to throw it up, catch it with the same hand, then catch it with the opposite hand, okay? After that, we are going to try to throw it up as high as we can and try and catch it as low to the ground as possible, so right before it hits the ground. So throw it up, wait for it to go right before the ground, and try and catch it low, okay? So I'm going to throw it up and catch it low, if I can. Throw it up, catch it low. That's a little bit tricky, but work on the first skills for a little bit longer and then they should be a little bit easier for you. After that, you can work on some tricks. You can throw it behind your back, like this. You can throw it on your leg. You can throw it and spin. Really be creative and try any type of skill you would like. After that, if you are up for the challenge, if you want to continue, you can try and use 2 throwing scarves or 2 manipulatives. So if I had one in each hand, all I would do is throw them both up with the same hand and catch them with the same hand. So I have one in each hand, throw it up with my right, catch it with my right, throw it up with my left, catch it with my left, just like this. After that, you can throw it and catch it with the opposite hand. So the scarf in my right hand is going to be caught with my left, the scarf in my left is going to be caught with my right. So just twist them in the air like this. Okay? If you want, then you can try and juggle. I know this is maybe a little bit more advanced for where we're at right now, but you can try and just throw it and switch your hands and then go in reverse if you would like, but I don't expect anybody to really get there today, but that's something that we can try to shoot for. I hope that you enjoy this video. To start, before we get to this, you can always complete the warm-up that's in our Google Classroom. And if you didn't get a chance to do our scavenger hunt yet, you are welcome to do that before you try